Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be proving the quadratic formula for you. So, we all know that, the quadratic formula is this. X is equal to, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus, minus 4ac all over 2a, right? If you have a form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we're going to be proving this today. I'm just going to copy this. Okay. Copy and... Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to be using this to prove our quadratic formula. Okay, so this is how it starts. Okay, so first of all, I don't really like this a term hanging around, so let's divide everything by a. Okay, so divide by a, divide by a, divide by a, and how we're going to prove it is we're going to complete the square. And that's pretty complicated, so if you don't know what that is, please watch my other video about how to complete the square. Okay, so here's our equation. And okay, so now 0 divided by a is just 0, right? C divided by a and bx over a is kind of hard, so we're going to ignore that for now. Okay, and now we're going to simplify this, so it's just x squared plus bx divided by a plus c over a equals 0, right? Okay, so we know how to complete the square, right? This is how we complete the square. We first of all get rid of the constant, so we're going to subtract c over a from both sides. So we have x squared plus bx over a plus, and we have to add something there, and then equals negative c over a, right? That makes sense. Now we're going to add, let's see. So what we do is we take the b term, we ignore the x, we take the b term and divide by 2 and then square that. So we have b over a, or actually it would be divide by 2, so it's going to be b over 2a, and then we're going to square that. Right? Okay. Okay, so now what? And now we also have to add it to the right-hand side, so we have b over 2a squared. Right? Okay, and I'm just going to switch colors for no specific reason. Okay, and now what we do is we simplify this side. We can simplify it to x plus b over 2a, right? Because that's how we do complete the square. We just add x and the b term divide by 2, and then we square that, right? Okay, and this is equal to, and I'm just gonna swap the order around, so this b over 2a goes to front, and I'm gonna simplify that, so it's b squared, and I'm actually gonna switch colors here because that is some darker color. Okay, so b squared, we're simplifying this, divided by 4a squared, right? And here I'm gonna multiply everything here by 4a, okay? So we're gonna add negative 4ac, right? Divided by, 4aa, because it was a here, now we're multiplying top and bottom by 4a, so we have 4 times a, which is 4a squared. And the whole point of that is so we can combine these two fractions. So, I'm going to simplify this, so if we combine the two terms, we get x plus b over 2a squared, that's just the left-hand side, right, equals, and b squared minus 4ac, right, divided by, 4a squared. Now, the whole point of completing the square is to I'm going to change the color of all this first of all. Let's see, some darker color. There we go. Okay. So, actually, no, it's not even dark. Just fix that. Let's see. Maybe orange. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay. So now what we do is we take this and we take the square root of it. So if you take this, whoops, nope. If we take the square root of this part and we take the square root of this part, the square and square root cancel and you're left with x plus b over 2a equals, oops, no, equals, and the square root of 4, right? And the square root of a squared is going to be 2a, right? So now we have 2a, so that means up above it's still going to be the square root of b squared minus 4ac, right? And now you might start seeing the quadratic formula come in. And remember, we have to take the positive and negative versions of this, right? Because the it has to be positive and negative. Now let's finish this off by adding, subtracting b over 2a from both sides, and then we get x is equal to negative b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And of course we can simplify this. We can add these two fractions and you're left with, and drumroll please, x is equal to negative b. Whoops, nope. Sorry. Drumroll, keep drumrolling. Drumrolling, yes. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And there we go. We just proved the quadratic formula. Yay! I'm just gonna box that because it's yay. Okay. Okay, so that is how to prove the quadratic formula, and that's why it's so useful. We can just say x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Actually, if you want, you can put in the comments how fast you can say that. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share this channel with others. Also, please hit the thumbs up button and also hit the bell so that you never miss an upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and see you at howtodostuffwithethan.com. After saying it a while, it gets weird. And see you next time. Bye.